You've probably asked an AI to write an email or explain a topic, but have you ever hit a wall where it just fails? Where the task is too complex and the answer is just wrong?
That's the zero-shot wall, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to smash right through it. We're moving beyond basic commands into the world of advanced prompting, where you don't just tell the AI what to do, you teach it how to think.
Welcome to Prompting Mastery 2025. Here's what we're going to build together today. First, we'll uncover why simple prompts fail and explore the core thought structures that fix them: chain, tree, and graph of thoughts. Second, we'll dive into advanced architectures like step-back prompting that help the AI see the big picture before solving the details. Third, you'll learn how to make the AI do the heavy lifting for you with metaprompting and how to make its answers safer with constitutional AI. And finally, we'll look at the exciting future, from multi-agent systems you can use today to the autonomous, multimodal AIs of tomorrow. By the end of this, you won't be a user, you'll be an AI orchestrator. Let's start with Module 1. The problem with a simple instruction like solve this math problem is that you're asking the AI to jump straight to the answer. That's a zero-shot prompt, and for anything complex, it's a gamble. The solution is to guide its thinking. The first and most famous method is chain of thought. Instead of just asking for the answer, you tell it, solve this problem by first distributing the 5, then isolating the x term, then solving for x. It's like a recipe, linear, step by step, perfect for logic problems, math, and planning. But what if there isn't one single path? For creative writing or business strategy, you need tree of thoughts. Here, you ask the AI to generate multiple different solution paths, evaluate the pros and cons of each, and then choose the best one. Think of it as a detective exploring 3 different suspects at once before concluding who the real culprit is. The most powerful method is the graph of thoughts. This is for hyper-complex systems where everything is interconnected. You instruct the AI to map out ideas, but also to create links between them, merge them, and even revisit earlier ideas to refine them. This is essential for something like a business plan, where your marketing strategy affects your budget, which in turn affects your hiring plan. Quick check-in. You need to brainstorm a new slogan for a coffee brand. Which thought structure would you use to get the most creative and diverse options? Chain, tree, or graph? Pause the video and think. If you said tree of thoughts, you're exactly right. You'd want to explore multiple creative avenues at once. Moving on to Module 2, Advanced Architectures. A brilliant technique is step-back prompting. Before you ask the AI to solve a specific, detailed question, you first ask it to take a step back and identify the core principle or concept that governs the problem. For example, before asking, how do I write a viral LinkedIn post about product management, you'd first ask, what are the fundamental principles of engaging content on LinkedIn? You solve the general problem first, then apply it to the specific case. And when you use tree of thoughts, you can structure the prompt to force the AI to critique itself. Your prompt would be, 1. Generate 3 distinct solutions. 2. For each solution, list its strengths and weaknesses. 3. Based on your critique, propose a final, improved solution. This creates an incredible feedback loop. Now for Module 3, where things get meta. With metaprompting, you stop being the prompt writer. Instead, you prompt the AI to become a world-class prompt engineer. You'd say, you are an expert prompt engineer. I need to write a business plan. Create the perfect detailed prompt for me to give to another AI to generate that business plan. It builds the ideal tool for you. To ensure safety and reliability, we use constitutional AI. You give the AI a set of hard rules, a constitution. For example, rule number 1, be helpful but harmless. Rule number 2, never give financial advice. Rule number 3, Always cite your sources. The AI must check its own answer against these rules before showing it to you. Finally, let's talk applications and the future. Right now, you can simulate a team of experts with multi-agent systems. Prompt the AI to be a CEO, a CTO, and a marketing director, and have them debate the launch of a new product. The final answer is a rich synthesis of these viewpoints. The future is even more exciting. Soon, AIs will be personalized agents with memory, adapting to your style automatically. They will become autonomous, where you just give a high-level goal like, plan my trip to Japan, and it handles all the subtasks. And prompting will become multimodal. You'll drop in a spreadsheet, a voice memo, and a PDF all at once to give instructions. It's a true fusion of data.
So let's bring it all home. We've seen that moving past simple zero-shot commands is key. By using structured thinking like chain, tree, and graph of thoughts, and advanced techniques like metaprompting and constitutional AI, you change your relationship with AI.
You stop being a person who just gives orders and become an AI orchestrator, the architect designing the AI's entire thought process to solve complex problems with creativity and precision. If you found this guide valuable, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next deep dive. And I have a question for you. Which of these advanced techniques are you most excited to try first?
Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. Thanks for watching and happy prompting.